Beneficiaries of the Walang Gutom Kitchen in Pasay City received a bonus of free vegetables purchased by the Office of the President from farmers in Benguet and Pangasinan. This to ensure farmers' income despite the rising fuel prices and to help minimize their losses. Gab Villegas reports.
Ramon was very happy after receiving free fresh vegetables and a free meal at the Walang Gutom Kitchen in Pasay City. For him, the blessings he received in his visit to the Walang Gutom Kitchen are a huge help after losing his job as a fertilizer packer in Bulacan.
Naramdaman na okay naman yun. Nagpasalamat din ako. Araw-araw kumakain ako.
Rosemary is also bursting with joy over the fresh vegetables she received. The daily free meals are also a significant help to her.
Malaking bagay dahil kung ikaw bibili ka pang almusal tanghalian, yung income ng 200 kulang, at least gabi lang 60 pesos lang. Maisave mo, mapabili ka pang gamot.
They are just some of the recipients of the free vegetables purchased by the Office of the President from farmers in La Trinidad, Benguet and Urdaneta City in Pangasinan. At midnight on Friday, over a ton of vegetables arrived at the DSWD Walang Gutom Kitchen in Pasay City. The Walang Gutom Kitchen of the Department of Social Welfare and Development is one of the beneficiaries of the approximately 20 tons of veggies purchased by the Office of the President. Aside from the DSWD Walang Gutom Kitchen, various communities in Metro Manila will also receive fresh produce, including the cities of Caloocan, Navotas, Malabon, Quezon City, Pasay, and Manila, as well as the new Bilibid Prison in Muntinlupa, the Manila City Jail, and several orphanages. According to Ramil Dapoy, officer in charge of the Walang Gutom Kitchen, the assistance provided by the Office of the President reaches far and wide.
Nagpapasalamat po kami kasi mas napainam po yung aming serbisyo para po sa ating mga kababayan. Sa katunayan po, yung binigay po nating meal ngayong araw ay nagmula po sa donation po natin. And for this lunch operation, makakakain po yung mga kababayan po natin ng mixed vegetable from the donation, and makapagbigay pa po tayo ng libreng gulay na pwede pong maiuwi ng mga pamilyang makakapasok po dito sa Walang Gutom Kitchen.
The donation is a major help not only in alleviating hunger but also in increasing farmer income. The Walang Gutom Kitchen also partners with cooperatives to source fresh vegetables.
Dalawang bagay po yung natutugunan natin. Nasusuportahan ang sektor ng agrikultura, bibigyan po natin ng suporta yung mga kababayan po nating vulnerable po dito sa Maynila.
The DSWD also sees the program as sustainable.
Farmers na po ang naging kaagapay po natin pagdating sa pagsiserve ng pagkain, which is it able us po na ma-ensure na fresh, mura, at mas marami pa po kami maaabot ng mga kababayan po natin na nakararanas po ng involuntary hunger.
The Walang Gutom Kitchen under the DSWD's Pag-Abot program plans to expand this initiative soon. Gab Humilde Villegas from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.